a nature documentary of the internet guru. Here we see the young YouTube guru in his natural habitat. I have spent years studying these creatures. Notice the laptop. This is used to monitor the migration of views. During the display season, colorful graphs are prominently exhibited. Researchers believe this behavior attracts engagement. The dominant males often display large monthly earnings. These displays are intended to signal success to nearby creators. Researchers have yet to determine whether any actual work is occurring.